Hello dear students. So in today's class we will continue chapter number 5, working with paint. Okay, so today I will show you practical that how to use shapes in paint. Okay, so as I have explained you in the previous class that paint is a painting software which is used for creating paintings, drawings or shapes, and there are so many things that we can make using this painting software. So it is an application software which is used for painting purpose. Okay, so some features I have explained you, and now we will open paint and I will show you practical. Okay, the steps for opening MS Paint: click on the start button and then all programs, and then choose accessories and choose paint then. But we have a very short route for that. You can just type paint in the search box as I'm typing right now, paint, and then you have to choose paint. Okay, don't choose Tux Paint if you have installed in your system, choose paint only. Okay, so this is the window of MS Paint. Okay, so as you all can see in this screen, there are so many options available here. So I will start with the basic tools used for making a drawing. Okay, so this tool is a pencil which is used to draw free-form line. Okay, with the help of our mouse we can draw lines or any shape using this pencil, but freehand. Okay, and this is called the fill bucket. This is used for filling color in any object. And this is for writing text. If you want to write anything in your drawing, if you want to give your name or anything, so you can use this text. This one is eraser, which is used for erasing the contents. If you have done any mistake or anything, so you can use eraser for it. Same as we use in our schools, pencil and erasers. This one is called the color picker tool. This color picker tool is used for picking up the color. How? I will show you later in this class. Okay, this is the magnifier glass, which is used for zooming and zoom out the picture. Okay, and here we have some types of brushes that we can use. Okay, so you can use any one from this list. Okay, there are different kinds of brushes. Some are thick, some are thinner, and some spray brushes also there. See, like if you want to see the demo, so I can show you. See, one kind of brush is this, and this one is, you will find slight different in the brushes. Okay, this one is the spray brush. If you want to use this kind of thing in your drawing, so you can use spray brush also. Okay, and any brush you can choose according to you. And this box contains different types of shapes. As you all can see, square is there, oval is there, many shapes are there. And this is the size box, which is used for increasing and decreasing the size of your brush or pencil. Okay, you can use, if you will see, because I have chosen the spray brush, so the width of the spray brush is thicker now. And if I will use pencil, so I can choose this size. Okay, to make it thin or darker. Okay, to make it light or darker, you can use this size option. Okay, and this is the color palette, which is used for selecting colors. There are so many colors given there, but if you want to add more, so you can click there, and from this window you can choose any color. Okay, so this is the basic things about the window of MS Paint. Okay, so now today we will start from using oval shape tool. Okay, so how to use oval shape tool? First you have to click on the shape group. So where is the shape group? Here it is. Click on the oval option. Okay, and from here you can choose the color, which there are two kinds of color. First is for foreground and second is for background color. Okay, so I'm just going according to your book, so I'm choosing the same color. Okay, so color 1, I'm going to choose this yellow color, and second color I'm choosing red for background. Okay, now see, left click on your mouse and just draw an oval shape. Okay, so one shape is drawn here. Now if you will choose, if you want to fill the color here, so you can choose this bucket and you can fill color. Wait, first we have to change the color. Okay, so if you want to fill the same color, so you can fill, but if you want to change the color, so you can choose any other color and you can fill here. Okay, it is not selected yet. Okay, now it's done. Okay, so this is how we can change the fill color. Okay, color you can choose according to you. Okay, next, if you want to draw more circles, so again you can more ovals, because oval we can make a circle using oval shape. Now it depends on how we are using the mouse. Okay, so again you can click there and again you can choose the color and you can draw another oval. Like I'm just going to make one oval inside this. Okay, and I'm going to fill yellow color in it. Okay, so I have clicked on this bucket and I have filled yellow color here. Okay, if you want to draw something like sun or moon, so you can use this oval shape and any color you can fill according to your choice. Okay, next is the use of the color picker tool. As I told you at the beginning of the class, this color picker tool is used if you want to choose any color from the screen, so you can choose this color picker tool. Okay, anywhere you can use it. Okay, like see, right now in the screen I'm just going to fill this pink color in the background of the page. Okay, now see what happened when we use the color picker. I have chosen this color picker and now you all, wherever you will click, like see I have clicked in this yellow color. Okay, so now you can see the bucket is the pointer is changed into the bucket and the yellow color is picked up from this particular shape. And if I will fill here, then you all can see yellow color is filled. How it happened? How has it happened? I have chosen this color picker tool. I click on the yellow color, so that tool has picked that yellow color, and wherever you will fill that color now, so same color will be filled, automatically it will be filled. Okay, so basically whenever you want to fill the things with same color or any particular color which is not available here in the toolbar, so if you want to, you just don't want to search the colors, so at instantly you can just use the color picker tool and you can fill any color in it. Okay, so just do practice of these two things. Okay, about remaining part we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so do practice of making shapes, do practice of making different things which can be make using shapes. Like we can make smileys, we can draw heart using basic shapes only. Okay, so your task is to use the shapes in your way, however you want to use. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.